Winter road trip essentials for Route 6 explorers. A winter journey along historic U.S. Route 6 can be one of the most rewarding ways to experience, with quieter roads, crisp seasonal landscapes, and warm local hospitality. December invites travelers to slow down, savor the scenery, and discover the hidden gems that shine brightest in colder weather. Preparing wisely ensures those moments unfold smoothly and safely. Safety tips for winter travel on historic U.S. Route 6. 1. Check conditions before departure. 2. Prep your vehicle. 3. Keep communications reliable. 4. Drive with flexibility. What to pack for a winter Route 6 adventure. A well-packed car helps travelers enjoy the season while staying comfortable. Layers and insulated outerwear for sudden temperature drops. Gloves, hats, scarves, and extra socks. Emergency items: blanket, flashlight, jumper cables, first aid kit, ice scraper, and traction aids. Snacks and water, especially for long rural intervals. A dedicated camera for winter landscapes. Smartphones work great, but cold temperatures drain batteries fast. Inviting the journey forward. Winter is not an off-season along historic U.S. Route 6. It's a chance to rediscover the route at its most peaceful. Pack wisely, drive safely, and enjoy the murals, diners, and landscapes that make every mile memorable. Readers of the Happenings newsletter should share their own winter travel tips or favorite seasonal stops for a future feature in the comment.